Today we will learn how to calculate KDP book cover size based on the interior page. As you can see, this is our interior PDF of 201 page. We go to Google Chrome. Type Amazon KDP cover template. Open it. Select the binding type, paperback. Select interior type, black and white. Select paper type, white paper. Select reading direction, left to right. Select measurement unit, inch. I will select the interior trim size 8.5 into 11 inch. I will put page count 201. Click on Calculate Dimension. Now click on the Download Template. Open the downloaded zip file. Then extract the template inside the zip file. Now open the PDF template in Photoshop. Now design the book cover of your choice on this template. Thanks for watching the video.